The product that we are going to use is SEP, Professional Heavy Duty Concrete and Masonry Floor Cleaner. Half here, this is plain water, and half here. Good. Excellent. We have our phonics machine and with our black pad to scrub. Le hemos cambiado el cepillo. We changed. We always use these kind of techniques. Our mop, she's gonna pour the product, the degreaser. Dale, córrelo. Quiebra. This is the first step, cleaning and degreasing. Okay, we put the no splash because we don't need to splash the product into Jose legs. That's the reason why we put that splash protector. This area is already scrubbed and we are mapping to see if we are removing the top grease. The expectation, I already set the expectation, and I already told the client that we are not removing the stains, but what we are doing is cleaning the floor. And you can see pones abajo
la parte corta,
ya, la corta,
y la larga que es la mano.
ya.
Y ahí le hace la palanca y se gira para el lado para desenroscarlo.
Muy bien. Hay que meterle, no sé si tenemos W40. Cuidado.
Y lo mismo arriba.
Ya, entonces arriba al derecho. Y el de abajo si quiere abajo. ¿Qué pasa? are preparing the truck mount, and today we are gonna do an hybrid process. How is the hybrid process? We are gonna use the diesel heat from the pressure washer, an adapter, and the setting for the truck mount. That means the blue hose connected to the pressure washer. We are not going to use the pressure washer hose. We are going to use the truck mount tug route line connected with an adapter to the pressure washer. And the rest is the same. I'm going to explain a little bit later. Plain water. I'm going to pour some deformer because I see some foam. We have our deformer here to reduce the foam. I'm gonna pour some so you are gonna see right away how it works. So you can see how the foam is vanished, and that will reduce to stop many times for my recovery tank. It vanished when you mix the deformer with the foam. Check it out. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay, now he's rinsing the floor and absorb all the junk, the grease, the dirt, everything. So the blue line is the water solution connected with our pressure washer, and the vacuum hose is connected to our truck mount. We just turn on the heater so we have hot water, diesel. She's putting some deformer. She is still rinsing. These two blocks is already rinsed. Now we are gonna spread this product because she wants, after degreasing, to use an acidic product to etch the concrete, because the purpose of this cleaning is they're gonna stain the concrete. Now we are spraying again the acid. We already did once. This is the second pass.
Pues sí debe de levantar. Eso es lo que hace, esa es la acción del gas, y lo que quería hacer como está esto.
Circular motion. Be careful.
Lo más bañado.
We are scrubbing to penetrate the acid into the concrete, so the pores of the concrete will be open, so that the owner of the house can stain the floor. After this procedure, we are gonna neutralize with the truck mount. Now she's rinsing with the truck mount, and Jose is rinsing too. The last step. No. Ese sí ya está. Ese está. Double rinsing because we put acid and we are neutralizing the floor. Then the last step is drying, and we are finished for today. Yeah? Step is we are drying. With the cotton pad. We're gonna pack everything. We are hungry already. We want to eat. Then go to the next garage. She's vacuuming to remove any kind of lint. And this is the prep work. So they can stain the floor. Jose is bringing down all our equipment. This was already here. Looks much better than before. At least we did the whole procedure.